Hello, allow us to introduce ourselves to you so you have an idea of whom you are dealing with. Welcome to yet another no-thrills video taken by John, Joanna, or Poppy for our site bg.house. The company name is Nyama Problemi, which when translated, means no problems. Our property website is www.bg.house. All properties offered to you are 100% freehold, and we have been selling properties for 20 years, so we have all the experience to help in any situation. Our main office is located in the town of Popovo. Popovo is a small but busy town with a village-like community with a feel and outlook, which of course is a very safe environment to live, work and play. Whether as a retiree, young couple, or even as a child attending school, there is a lot to be said for the area of Popovo, which is in Targovishte. As Bulgarian edges closer to adopting the euro, property prices are on the move. Although there are some low-end investments still being offered on the market, these days they are becoming less and less as the prices are on the rise. As you watch the videos of these low-end properties, you may find yourself shocked by the state of the properties or the grounds, with literally rubbish left behind as they had not been cleaned out prior to being offered for sale. Or the gardens are all overgrown. Well, believe it or not, that is very good news for any low-end investor or purchaser. This means you are looking at a property with the scope to make a profit or buy it at its absolute lowest market price, with no more than a few days' work cleaning and moving rubbish. The property itself can be resold at a profit. Without a massive outlay on repairs, this is just one way to make a profit with ease. We are always on hand to offer advice if needed. On the other hand, there is an unbelievable demand for finished properties that are ready to move into. So again, the real estate market is well worth looking into. There seems to be something for everybody. Please subscribe to our channel below and visit our website and see what there is for you.
So this is a great property on offer from www.bg.house. The property truly requires such a lengthy long video so you can see all it has to offer. Its views are just stunning. Even if the property was not there, its surroundings are priceless. If you're in search of a charming hill house in Bulgaria, look no further than this beautiful property in the village of Drinovo. Located just 12 kilometers away from Popovo town in the Targovishte area, 20 kilometers from Razgrad, 160 kilometers from Varna, and 80 kilometers from Ruse, this house offers the perfect combination of peaceful village living and easy access to nearby cities. The village of Drinovo itself is a hidden gem, with its hilly surroundings and stunning views. It has all the necessary amenities, including shops, a bus stop, post office, and a library. The neighborhood is mainly made up of farmers, giving it a close-knit and friendly community feel. The house itself is a two-story building with water and electricity already connected. It also comes with outbuildings, providing ample storage space for all your needs. The property sits on a generous 1,300 square meter plot of land, featuring a variety of fruit trees that add to the charm and character of the place. The first floor of the house consists of a kitchen and 3 rooms, while the second floor boasts a large wooden balcony with breathtaking views, 2 additional rooms, and a storage area. The adjacent building is a spacious room that has access to the first floor, making it perfect for use as a guest room, office, or additional living space. There is also an old bathroom on the property, adding to its traditional charm. One of the standout features of this property is the vineyard located on the premises. Imagine sitting on your balcony, sipping on a glass of wine made from your very own grapes, while taking in the picturesque views of the surrounding countryside. It's the perfect setting for anyone looking to live a peaceful and idyllic lifestyle. This charming hill house in Drinovo is the perfect place to make your Bulgarian dream home a reality. The tranquil and serene setting, coupled with the convenience of nearby cities, makes it an ideal location for retirement, a holiday home, or even a permanent residence. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own a piece of Bulgarian paradise. Schedule a viewing today and see for yourself the beauty and potential this property has to offer. Could this be the hidden gem you have been searching for? Yes, it needs some work, but as you see, it's no more than a DIY project, as no specialized work is required to make it your own. You should watch this video all the way through as we have tried to take in every aspect of the property.